Hey divas, so in today's video we are going to be reviewing some products by Summer Fridays. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Let's jump right into the review. Today we are going to be reviewing these lip balms. These are by Summer Fridays. I absolutely love their I don't know if it's a body cream or a lotion. That was the very first thing that I tried by Summer Fridays, and honestly I fell in love with this. So I was like, oh, I could use their products for moisture. Okay, so when they came out with these, I was like, I have to try them because I'm always looking for something to help my lips not be crusty. So yeah, anyways, that leads us up to here today. So today we have their lip butter balms, and I have both of them. One of them, let me see, what is the okay, so one of them is just vanilla, which is the lighter one here, and then the other one is vanilla beige. So this is the packaging. I absolutely adore their packaging. I love just like the very nice, just chic nude aesthetic. So let's go ahead and take them out of the box. Now I have already tested out the vanilla beige, and that's why I'm able to come and give you guys like a review. I only tested it out for like a day, but I was like, that's all you pretty much need. So here they are outside of their packaging, and they just look really cute. I just overall love the packaging. Like I said before, it's very simple and chic and to the point. So I'm gonna go ahead and do swatches of them on the back of my hand. So first we're going to swatch vanilla first. Now as far as like the smell of them, they smell really sweet. I'm not really getting vanilla. It's more just like a sugary type of smell, but yeah, it's just like a really sweet smell, but I don't mind. It's not anything where I'm like, ooh, but it doesn't smell like super vanilla-y. There is a little bit of vanilla, but I smell mostly sugar. But anyways, this is how it swatches on the back of my hand. So it's more of like a clear on me, and I am a deeper skin tone, so as you guys can see here. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I feel like this would be perfect for me like as an everyday go-to. Next I'm gonna swatch vanilla beige. So this is the one that I test out, and I did fall in love with it. I love the moisture and everything, but let me show you guys how it swatches on the back of my hand. So this is vanilla beige, so it has like a slight tint to it. Since I am a deeper skin tone, you probably cannot tell, but it does have like a little bit of slight subtle like just a little tint. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and swatch them onto my lips so you guys can see how they look. So first we're gonna do vanilla beige. Also want to mention, like, this applicator is perfect for my lips. Like, it's like it was made just specially for lips. So I mean, obviously it was, but you know what I mean. Like, some applicators are not nice on the lips, and this one is really nice. As you guys can see, you get like a really nice like silky shiny sheen, and I like that because it kind of looks like gloss but without being so thick. So yeah, this is how vanilla beige looks on me. Okay, so now we're gonna try out this vanilla beige, and I think that this is going to be perfect because I already tried it out, like, duh. Okay, so now we're trying the vanilla beige. So you can't really tell a difference because my lips are a little bit dark. It's like chocolatey like me, and like more pigmented, I guess you could say. So you can't really tell, but this one does have like a little hint of a tint. So I'm actually going to be wearing the vanilla beige today, but I do like to apply lip liner to my lips just to give them more of a full lip. I mean, a full look. So I know my lips are already pretty full, but I just like them to look extra full because my top lip, because it's so pigmented, it kind of like blends in, and then also it's not as full as the bottom lip. So I just like to add liner to really ensure that my lips are looking nice and juicy. So for lip liner, I just apply MAC's Chestnut. That's my favorite of all time. But you see how my lips, before we even put it on there, it already looks like full, and then this balm is just gonna help me to make them look even more full and juicy. Okay, so this is the vanilla beige, and I just feel like this is the perfect everyday lip. Even though this is a lip balm, like, I will wear this as an everyday lip because it's super moisturizing to the lips and it just looks good. Like, so why not? But yeah, this is this is cute. I like this. Okay, so now that you guys have seen the swatches and everything and how I am going to be rocking it, which this is so cute. Like, how cute is this for an everyday lip? Like, I'm living. But anyways, I'm gonna tell you guys like how I feel about these two. Now I did only test out this one because I did only test it out for a day because I just got these, but I feel like it's the same product, so so I'm gonna tell you guys, basically these are just balms. These are for, you know, what a lip balm serves as. You guys know that. One thing that I really love about it though is that it is vegan, so it's cruelty free. While I am not vegan, I do try to put the best things into my body and onto my body, okay? So it being cruelty free is like a real plus for me because I am trying to get better. So these are very, very moisturizing. That's what I noticed. I did get a full 4-hour wear out of this one and it was really nice. I feel like I could have got it longer, but you guys know me. I was at Starbucks, you know, drinking my drink and doing the most. So, you know, of course the product is going to go off of my lips and go onto the straw. But yeah, so if I wasn't like having my Starbucks and stuff, it probably would have lasted longer. But for me personally, I just want to, you know, attest to the hours that it did last, and it was 4, which was really good. My lips felt very moisturized, excuse me, and even with my mask on, like, it still lasted. So that was really impressive, and it didn't move around or get all over my face or anything and make me feel uncomfortable. So that was really good that it did, like, the moisture was locked into my lips. So I really, really did like that. And overall it feels very nice and moisturizing on the lips. So this is definitely going to be my everyday go-to, whether I am lining it and wearing it out like this, or if I'm just going to be popping it on because I just put it in my purse. So yeah, I would definitely recommend them. As far as price go, they do retail for $22 each. I don't feel like that's too much, but it just depends on, you know, it just depends on you. It's everybody's personal preference. I feel like it's really good because the product does perform really well. I am overall really impressed with it and I look forward to using it. So yeah, I'm impressed. I'm satisfied with this buy. And if you guys are interested in these, I will have them linked in the description box below, so make sure you go ahead and check that out in case you want to pick them up or just read a little bit more about them and do extensive research. I always recommend that. But yeah, also let me know, like, what is your favorite lip balm? Like, what do you put on your lips every day, or do you use gloss every day, or what do you use every day on your lips? Definitely let me know. I could use some tips because honey, I don't want any crusty lips. I've definitely been there, especially in the winter time where I had crusty lips. So yeah, let your girl know, like, what do you use? But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you did, then please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you are thinking, and also don't forget to give me some tips on what you do to keep your lips soft or what you use. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.